Hey, what's up, everyone? So, this is the dashboard which we are going to visualize. Okay, and we will be using this particular dataset file, and I'll give the link to this particular dataset file in the description of the video. Okay, so without wasting any more time, so let's start it. First thing first, let's load the dataset into Power BI. So this is the data which we are going to visualize. Okay, so let's click on load. So as you can see on the right side data column, we have our Post Malone dataset loaded. So let's build our first visualization. So let's visualize top tracks according to this dataset. So let's click on stack bar. Okay, now I'm gonna add Spotify total streams on x-axis, and I'm gonna add track name on y-axis. It will take some time to load. Okay, fantastic. So now we have our uh, first visualization. Okay, so secondly, I'm gonna visualize albums. Okay, so how many like the following visualization which we are going to do gonna show us each album's total streams. Okay, as a vertical bar. So let's click on column chart for that. Okay, and I'm gonna click on album. Sorry. So I'm gonna click on album over here as x-axis, and in y-axis I'm going to have total streams. Okay, so perfect, I guess. So let's quickly move to our third visualization, which is going to be popularity by genre. For this again, we're gonna use column chart. Okay, okay, so here I'm gonna have a genre in x-axis, and in y-axis I'm gonna have popularity score. Perfect. So just some of it. Hip hop 100%. Most everything is 100%. So I'm not gonna use this visualization. This particular thing, value we're not gonna do. Okay, we'll do something else. I think there's some problem with this data set. Okay, so hmm. So let's do one thing. Hmm. Let's do genre distribution by pie chart. Okay, and I'm gonna have genre over here as a legend, and I'm gonna have track name to values. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this particular dashboard quite simple. I'm not gonna do much changes over here, so neither I'm gonna add any KPIs and all, or I should. So let's do that maybe. Okay, let's add some KPIs, not much, although I just want it to be aesthetically appealing rather than analytical. So I'm going to keep things simple over here. So let's add albums. How many albums? Click on count distinct. You will see the total number of albums according to this particular data set. So it got 8 albums. Okay, and so let's add another KPI card. I'm gonna have total streams. Okay, let's keep sum of total streams, which is 9 billion. Okay, and what another KPI card one I should have. Okay, let's have another KPI card. So this is a very beginner dashboard. Okay, so I'll share the link to the data set in description. You can change things accordingly. So this is a very beginner data set. So I'm not making much changes over here. I'm not doing much analytically over here. So this is for complete beginners. Okay, so 67 total tracks. Okay, let's add some images, some elements. Okay, let's add some more elements. Let's add some more elements. Okay, so these are the elements I have added. So I'm gonna transmute the background. Let's click on canvas. Let's make it a bit red. Make it darker red. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it solid red. Okay, okay, okay. So now changing the aesthetics of this particular card. Increasing transparency, making it black. Let's see what works. Clicking on visual border, clicking on shadow. Hmm, okay, clicking on switch visual border. Okay, gonna increase rounded corners. Gonna have, okay, I think this looks kind of okay, I guess. uh, Clicking on genre, clicking on effects. Okay, let's try darker version of pink. Okay. Hmm. Let's increase the width. Okay, switching it on, making it white, as many rounded corners. Okay, switching it to white. Okay, okay. Similarly with this, increasing transparency, switching on visual border, switching on white, increasing rounded corners, switching on shadow, switching on white. Okay, uh, now I'm gonna change the label colors also. Okay, x-axis, going to values, clicking on white, making it bold, going to title. I shouldn't have title. Okay, switching it off, and going to y-axis, making it white, making it bold, making it Arial black like rest of the fonts, switching off the title, going to general, clicking on title, clicking on white, total streams by track. Okay, making it Arial black, making it bold, aligning it. So okay, let's change the color of bars also. Okay, let's this looks okay. And similarly with this, similarly slices color also. Okay, and okay, and yeah, so this looks okay. Detail labels off, legend, title off, text, uh, let's text be white. Okay, going to general, going to title, going to white, track name by genre. Okay, and area, aligning it. Okay, streams by album, making it bold, making it Arial black, making it white, aligning it. Okay, uh, clicking on visual, mm, remove the title, making it white, making it white. Okay, remove the title. Let's increase the width a bit. Okay, okay, and what else? Okay, so let's align the other cards accordingly. Pink is good. Arial black is better. B plus. Okay. Now switching on title. Total albums. Font to Arial black. Text to bit purplish or white. Let's see what clicks. Effect to increasing transparency. Okay, visual border on. Switching on white. Shadow white. Rounded corners. Going to journal, going to effect, going to visual border, going to have rounded corners. Okay, going to title, decrease the font size. Okay, so let's do one thing. Now I've cracked the KPI card design. I'm gonna just copy paste it. So let's have total streams over here. Let's have popularity score. Decrease the font size a bit. Going to visual. Going over here, popularity score. Clicking on average. So yes, this was our Post Malone dashboard. You could do similar stuff for your favorite artist. Okay, so that was it. Thanks for watching. So okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching La Data YouTube channel. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe La Data's YouTube channel for further more amazing tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.